Welcome to this tutorial on using the Reports feature in your Engage dashboard. In this guide, we'll walk you through the different types of reports available to help you analyze and optimize your chatbot and agent performance. First, log into your Engage dashboard and navigate to the Reports section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of report categories designed to provide valuable insights into various aspects of your chatbot's interactions and performance. Under the Records section, you can access detailed reports on customer contacts and agent logins. The Customer Contact Report provides information on interactions through social media by both bots and agents, with options to download, filter, and search. The Agent's Login Report allows you to filter login data by date range, search, and download the report. The Service Report section includes several subcategories. The All Report provides a monthly chatbot service summary for both agents and bots, allowing filtering by agent, bot, and date range, with download options. The Agents and Bots reports offer similar filtering options but focus specifically on agent and bot performances, respectively. Additionally, the Product Report breaks down service performance by product. In the Q&A report section, you can track the performance and modifications of your question bank. The Input/Add report details newly added questions and answers, including the date, time, and author, with options to filter and download. The Update report provides a log of updated Q and As, showing old and new entries along with modification details. The Delete report lists deleted Q and As, specifying who deleted and approved the deletion. The Pending report highlights pending questions awaiting responses, sortable by date, bot, channel, and customer. The Bots section offers a summary of all bots, including total, active, and suspended bots. You can filter bot conversations by day and date to analyze their performance over time. In the Agents section, you can review details about your agents, including total, active, and inactive agents. Filter conversation data by agent and date to get insights into their performance and activity. The Broadcast section provides a summary of your broadcast messages, including sent, failed, scheduled, and draft statuses. You can also filter day-wise broadcast counts by channel and date, and view broadcast performance through area charts. Under Service Requests, you can see a summary of total, closed, and pending service requests. Filter day-wise service counts and date-wise service requests by selecting the bot and date for detailed analysis. The Visitors section offers comprehensive visitor data, including active and inactive visitors, OS, location, browsers, and interactions handled by bots and agents. Filter visitor data by bot, agent, and date to gain deeper insights. In the Meetings section, you can view summaries of meeting statuses, performance by days, and performance by dates. Filter this data by agent, bot, and date to evaluate meeting effectiveness. The Webhooks section provides a summary of all webhooks used, helping you track integration points and their performance. Under Segments, analyze visitor popularity and segment visitor data by days and dates. Compare segment visitor counts over time to identify trends and patterns. The Advertisements provides detailed reports on your advertisement performance, including metrics such as advertisement by click, bots by ads click, tags by ads click, ads clicks by days, and ads clicks by dates. The Offers section provides detailed reports on your offer performance. These reports include metrics such as offers by click, bots by offers click, tags by offers click, offers clicks by days, and offers clicks by dates. This data helps you analyze the effectiveness of your offers and optimize them for better engagement and conversions. The Social Messengers section provides a summary of social media interactions. Filter social conversations by days and dates, and compare bot performance across different platforms. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate and utilize the Reports feature in your Engage dashboard. By leveraging these detailed reports, you can optimize your chatbot and agent performance, enhance user engagement, and drive better results. Thank you for watching.